another English channel. So today we are going to continue with the modal verbs. In the last lesson we did could and can, modal verbs, and today we are going to look at may and might. Okay, first thing, we are going to begin with may, which is a modal verb like can and could. Okay, let's kick off. So may is used to talk about possibility. Okay, so may is used to talk about possibility. It can also be used to talk about a possibility in the future. So there's a possibility which can be in the present or past, and also a possibility in the future, like the modal could. In the last lesson we explained that could can be used to talk about possibility in the future. If you haven't looked or watched that lesson, you can access it via the link I'm going to put below, or just right here. Okay. So here are a couple of examples. So it may rain today. So this is a possibility. There's a possibility that it can rain today, but it could not also rain. This is just a possibility. And the negation is may not. We use may not. Okay. So it may not rain today, but it can also rain. This is a possibility. It can happen. It can just happen. Fine. Okay. And we may go to the cinema. So there's a possibility, maybe 70% chance that we're going to be heading to the cinema this night. Okay. And there's also 30% chance that we are not going to the cinema. Okay. So this is a possibility. And we continue with an example. It may snow tomorrow, when Emma may want to have a drink now. Okay. She may want to have a drink. She may not want to have a drink. This is just a possibility. So may is used to talk about possibility. Okay, possibility, something that can happen. It has a chance to happen, and it might not also happen. Okay. So first, we said that may can be used to talk about possibility, and second, may can be used to give permission or to request permission. Okay, so permission is allowing someone to do something or have the ability to do something by a request. Okay, this is permission or instructions. Okay, so in the interrogative form, what is an interrogative form? The question form. Okay, so this is interrogative. Okay, so the use of may sounds more polite than can or could. Okay. In the last lesson, we mentioned that can or could can be used to request. Can I go? Could I have a drink, please? Okay. So here we know that may sounds more polite than can or could. So if you use may, you are more polite than someone who uses can or could. Okay. So here are a couple of examples. May I have a coffee, please? Or may I have, we can add please here if you want. And then we put this here. Okay. Sounds even more polite. May I have a coffee, please? Okay. Here is a request. So you are requesting him to give you a coffee, and it is more polite than can or could. Okay. Another example, you may use your cell phone now. So you are in a meeting or something, and all phones were turned off, and now someone says you may use your cell phone now. So this is an instruction he's giving you, but the instruction is polite. Okay. She may arrive at 10 p.m. So this is a permission. She may arrive at 10 p.m. Because hello, Mr. Director, I have a cousin. She wants to come in here. Okay, and then the director can say she may arrive at 10 p.m. Okay, So this is a permission. Okay, and this can seem confusing. It seems like the first one, which is possibility, but it's not. You know, she may arrive at 10 p.m. This is both possibility and permission, but here we're talking about permission. She may arrive at 10 p.m. There's a possibility she arrives at 10 p.m., but this is a permission. She's being given a permission that she can arrive, she may arrive at 10 p.m. if she wants to, okay? And may I leave now? This is asking a permission also. This is asking a permission. So may I leave now? This is asking a permission, okay? So may is possibility and permission. These two apply to may, okay? Might. May, might. So that different, okay? We looked at might from the previous sequence, may, and now we have might. So might is another modal verb with the same meaning as may. So same meaning, may and might. May and might is the same. Okay. But the last one indicates more certainty or probability. However, might indicates more certainty or probability. So if may is 80%, this one gonna be 85%. May 80%, might 85%. So might is more certain and more probable. Okay. Take into account that we also use might instead of may to talk about the past. You can use might instead of may to talk about the past, and we're going to see that in examples. The negative form of might is might not, or the short form might. Okay, so might not. I might go, I might not. Okay. So here are a couple of examples. They might not visit you tonight. They might not visit you tonight. It's negative. Khalid might win the race. So here, Khalid might win the race. It's a probability and a possibility and a certainty that Khalid might win the race. There's 85% chance that Khalid might win the race, and we don't know. Okay, this is a probability. We use might, probability. Amadou might have gone out last Saturday. We don't know that Amadou went out, okay, but there's possibility, a certainty, 85% certainty that Amadou might have gone out last Saturday and his mom didn't know about it, okay? So, thank you very much for listening. Mazo English channel is always here for you, explaining English grammar lessons for you. Subscribe and hit the like button to encourage us to do more English video lessons for you. Stay tuned and see you soon. Come on,